Come see this unique 4-story luxury brownstone situated in an incredible location right in the heart of Richmond's West End, where you will enjoy the resort-like lifestyle of this award-winning community while enjoying the state-of-the-art luxury clubhouse with gorgeous pool, fitness center, movie theater, and entertainment rooms. The interior of the home is equally as stunning as the lifestyle it affords, with its well-appointed finishes, including gorgeous crown moldings, hardwood floors, and custom plantation blinds in all the main living areas. The gourmet kitchen boasts state-of-the-art stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and beautiful cabinetry, a peninsula made for bar stools, as well as the cheerful and bright breakfast nook accessible to a balcony, perfect for grilling. The master bedroom is a luxury retreat with an oversized sitting room, private balcony, enormous closet with custom built-ins, as well as a spa-like master bath with soaking tub, shower, and beautiful ceramic and other luxury appointments. The second master suite has its own private bath and walk-in closet. There are 2 spacious rooms on the first floor that make a great guest bedroom space, workout room, or office. Perhaps the most breathtaking feature of this beautiful home is the apartment-like 4th floor with a Manhattan-style rooftop terrace. The whole house is equipped with a state-of-the-art whole-house media and security system with integrated speakers throughout, as well as the ability to control all systems with just a touch of an iPad. This energy-efficient and environmentally friendly Earthcraft-certified home will save 30% in monthly energy bills. This is an incredible opportunity and won't last, so schedule your showing today.